add and install plugins on FL Studio is quite easy and simple. Whether you want to install the VST plugins or more, it is quite simple. So for that, you need to download this Zen Master Unison Audio. So for example, if we here go, so you can see get Zen Master free. So you can see the FL Studio logo also here. So just go and download it. So I would just put my name and email. So it says sending the plugin. Just wait a bit. So if I go, it says arrive in the inbox in 5 to 10 minutes, but it arrives earlier. So if I go to my Gmail, it says here we go. So basically you have to first make the account and then just put in anything. So now go back to the login. And if I log in now, yeah, the password was very weak. So if I go back to my here and try downloading the Zen Master again by refreshing the page, so that means I am logged in. So just wait a bit. It should give me, so let me see in the email maybe. Okay. Okay, here it is. So just click on Mac download. So here we go. The download is almost complete. I will close the tabs to make the computer a bit faster, I guess. So you can see the installer is open. Click on continue, continue, agree, continue. It says 105 install. I have to put my computer password. So it is installing it now. Just wait a bit. Once it's installed, click on move to bin. Totally up to you. Now go and open up the FL Studio. Click on add. Click on more plugins. Click on manage plugins. Make sure this is verify plugin and click on find install plugins. And it would start scanning. So you can see the Union Sun have just arrived. So you can see Union Sun Zen is here. There would be more Union Sun here too. So you can see this one. So you have to select this one. Just go and make it VST3. Just start it if you want to start it. And if you go to the plugins, you can see here it is. So you can also put it in the category, totally up to you. So for example, this one, so that is totally up to you. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to add plugins and install plugins in FL Studio. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.